Ramgarh Lake, once the pride of Jaipur and Rajasthan. A lake that quenched a city's thirst, nourished farmers' fields, and carried the dreams of a nation. Here, in 1982, the Asiad Boating Games were held. Ramgarh stood as a symbol of India's promise, beauty, and strength. But for the past 20 years, Ramgarh has been dry, a victim of human greed and encroachments, a victim of neglect. What was once a jewel of Rajasthan became a barren scar.
यहाँ सब पानी की बहुत बड़ी समस्या है क्योंकि पहले रामगढ़ में पानी था ना तो जयपुर सप्लाई करता था। पानी जरूरी है साहब।
पानी आ जाए तो किसानों को
समाधान हो जाए, खेती होने लग जाए, पैदावारी बढ़ जाए, बहुत बढ़िया है साहब।
जयपुर में पहले जैसे कि यहाँ से पानी जाता था, यहाँ से जमा रामगढ़ बांध से, अब फिलहाल यही सूखा पड़ा है तो फिर कहाँ से जाए जयपुर?
या टैंकरों से पानी चलाते हैं।
अगर बांध में पानी आ जाए तो सभी किसानों को समाधान हो जाएगा।
Hope faded. The lake, the people, the city, all waited, but water never returned. Accel1 stepped in, a global climate engineering company on a mission to solve the world's water crisis. Through technology, through regenerative agriculture, through pollution control. We came to Ramgarh not with doubt, but with belief that even here, hope could rise again. We met with the government of Rajasthan, with officials, with communities. And together, we chose Ramgarh as the pilot for the world's first precision-based cloud seeding mission, powered by modern drones. We built drones unlike any before. Hybrids of quadcopters and fixed wings. Drones designed to climb as high as 4.5 kilometers. Because at Ramgarh, clouds live far above ordinary reach. For 2 months, our team studied every cloud, every inch of the land. We found the harsh truth. Moisture was gone. The soil was choked with silt and wild juliflora. The clouds, too weak to rain. This was no small challenge. This was a test of human will. Finally, the day came. 50,000 people gathered to witness history. But in the noise of excitement, personal drones, thousands of phones, the signals failed. Our drone did not fly. Negativity spread. Doubt returned. The world said, "This is futile." But we did not give up. Day after day, we tested. And then came the breakthrough.
Delhi and ATC informed you?
Yes, inform all.
Which one? Delhi?
Delhi and Jaipur.
How long?
For 55 minutes.
55 minutes. You'll start in another?
10 minutes.
3, 2, 1. Arming the drone. meters, 400 meters.
For the first time in India, commercial drones were given permission to fly up to 10,000 feet. The skies were opening to Ramgarh. And so we began.
Targeting the convective cloud, northwest direction, okay, from Ramgarh Lake. So the altitude is at like approximately 1 kilometer. So the flight will take off, we'll release the seeding agent over there. And the cloud base is at 960 meters.
Our drones climbed 1.5 kilometers, 2 kilometers, higher than ever before. Precision cloud monitoring,
Release the seeding agent.
targeted seeding, and then the miracle. The clouds responded, the mountains received rain. Hope returned to Ramgarh.
I'm Kalyan Chakravarti Yasoda. I'm a climate scientist at Accel1 company. So today we have conducted our cloud seeding experiment at Ramgarh Lake. Showed that the cloud base is at 850 meters. So we have released our seeding agent at 870 meters altitude. We have seen the quick initiation and the enhancement of the rain. The rain initiated very shortly.
This is only the beginning. We have proposed the next phase, advanced atmospheric stations, drones that can hover for 6 hours, and a sensor network that reads every cloud with deep precision. Our mission to make Ramgarh the first lake in the world to be revived through atmospheric science and precision technology. But our vision doesn't stop with water. From the mud, the weeds, the juliflora, we will create biochar, turning waste into high-quality biomanure for farmers, reviving not just a lake, but organic agriculture, soil health, and prosperity. Ramgarh is rising again, not yet full, not yet finished, but alive with hope. This journey is bigger than a lake. It is a blueprint for California, for the Middle East, for Asia, for Africa. A blueprint for solving the world's water crisis. At Accel1, we are not just bringing back water, we are bringing back life. We are bringing back organic agriculture. We are bringing back hope.